The people in the National Party are going to win this election, man. Because the people don't turn out already in a nomination, they are sending a signal to the government.
How do you think look for now?
Yeah, man, I barely, man, I hear that. Show all the way, man, I hear that. No.
Yeah, people, me there out there with these Zeeks. Me I do a voice box. So me I ask the question, who you think are going to win the election? Talk to me, Zeke.
The people in the National Party are going to win this election, man. Because the people don't turn out already in a nomination, they are sending a signal to the government. So we know that when the people send a signal to the government, they know what they need, they know.
So what kind of work can I do on the ground for win?
We campaign house to house, talk to the people, and the people might talk to back to it. Then, so we can do what in the council or anything like that. So we, as we win the council, settle down, we know what we can do for the people and them thing. We are going to look for after the council. I can't force the Prime Minister for a general election. Whenever a member of parliament in the council, they have a good work together right now for the people.
So you may say, we have plan to take all of the council them and majority of them?
All of the council we have plan to take.
We take all of the council. That's all good, man?
Yes, man, the people in Cry we heard by you now.
Yeah. So what your councillor name?
Smith, man.
Mr. Smith?
Yeah.
What division? In a St.Thomas?
Port Morant division.
Port Morant division. We never take on Chino?
Yeah, man, we can the China, man.
And you feel you can beat the China, man?
Yes, man. You must come with a different science, man.
You must come with the last, a science in science with the last time?
Yeah, man. The last time I did Bushing we're going to come in with the Panway.
Yeah.
Standing now, we come in that. We are going straight to the pool.
Straight to the pool?
Yes, sir. The people them here do cry. And we are going to access to the people and cry, you know.
And you say now whip them?
Yeah, we are going to whip them.
So you see river, you see any sign of river come down?
Yeah, man. Back to back river already, man.
Bank to bank?
Yes, man.
Alright, give me the fist.
Fist
Meet the people, Zeeks. So we're there now. Morant Bay, my viewers and subscribers. It's approximately 5 in the afternoon. The polling station close, people, and yeah, 5:49 to be exact. Let me look for me something. Yeah, 5:49. Monday, February the 26th, 2024. In the town, Morant Bay, and the People's National Party I celebrate victory, people. Yeah, them I celebrate victory. Big Super is on the ground, and we are headed to the people them. Yeah. Yeah, man. People them I celebrate victory already in the town of Morant Bay. Big Super is on the ground, people, and we hear a roar of excitement. Yeah, we hear a roar.
Lose our job, PMP we say. That we say. White House is safe already.
Yeah, my viewers and so the People's National Party I celebrate victory. Big Super don't really know the status of the victory, but them look certain, everybody looks certain and thing, and Big Super, they're in the vicinity of the primary school, the Morant Bay, one of the strong division in a Morant Bay, the division here, and thing, and them are call out them candidate name. Watch it. So my viewers and sub, 5 o'clock, and the polling station, basically the curtains out to come down on it. Big Super round here, see there, Morant Bay Primary School. My viewers and sub, Big Super is out here, we're on the ground, and we're just taking note of what's taking place. The People's National Party supporters, them sound upbeat, sound nice, them sound excited. You know, like them smell victory. So we don't know what go on. How the thing look for you now?
Yeah, man, I barely, man, I hear that. Show all the way, man, I hear that. No power. No. Show.
Yeah,
Go.
because me hear the People's National
No, man,
Party.
I saw them still in like nice.
Me
We
hear them
not
a
follow nice.
Yeah, me hear them a celebrate already.
No, man, we not watch nice.
We not watch nice?
Yeah, nice.
Alright, some of viewers and sub, John come and say him not watch nice. But we dey here, we're out on the ground. And they must get some, what I call it now, some inside count. Some, you know, like, remember say they might take up census and all them things out of the gate. So maybe them say we're for them polling more stronger and things. So Big Super is here. We're in at the town. I'm Morant there, and as we tell you,
We not watch nice. Remember?
you know what's no nice?
Yeah, we not watch nice. Remember, we not watch nice. Yeah.
Alright people, so as you hear the Jamaica Labour Party supporters say, him not watch nice. So we are going to see how the evening turn out people. We are going to see how the evening end up, because everybody celebrate, but most likely one side of the fence see more jack. When I come up in the lane, the People's National supporters, them sound like them win already and all these things. So we don't know what the outcome of the parish council election in this division. Big Super don't know the outcome, but we're on the ground and we just have look on it. And from morning, remember this morning we went to Port Morant and all these things. And when you go up to Port Morant, you see Chino supporters them they doubt in them numbers and sound excited and thing. We don't know the outcome, as I tell you. The polling station right now supposed to lock 5 o'clock and all these things. And Big Super up on the ground. I try to bring you any little snap you can get. 3 minutes past 5 now in the afternoon. So stick and stay people. Stick and stay and see how the day turn out. Some viewers and sub, we don't know how the evening look. Yeah. But we see everybody I celebrate, two sides I celebrate. Yeah. So we don't know if we can enter a lot of copyright. Yeah. We're going to enter a lot of copyright. So we're there up on the ground still, people. Yeah. But People's National Party I celebrate from early out. So your party look
damn good.
Your party look damn good.
Yeah.
So from morning with the procedure and everything, with the campaigning and the whole of them things. On the face on take the lead?
But must.
But can we see the People's National Party them I celebrate. What's your candidate name? JLP. So you don't know the candidate where the councillor candidate?
John Lee.
Okay, well big up your candidate man. And thing man and me just show our chest people, nothing else me not show. You understand? See, just our chest. Alright, take care of yourself, yeah my friend?
Alright.
Peace out. So my viewers and subscribers, the curtain I come down on the evening of the electoral system in St.Thomas. The parish council division them take time a run off and them a look about now if pack up them ballot box and them clerks and them staff and them are supposed to head to the sorting office. And we get to understand that the sorting office are where they somewhere in a yellow. So I hope you enjoy today's coverage and I hope you learn something educational out of it. And just ask the drivers them no bother go make no crazy drive in the evening. When you try to see if you can take it easy, nobody drink up no whole heap of unnecessary liquor and a whole heap of Guinness and Red Stripe and anything and drunk off on yourself and things because yeah, at the end of the day, hold on, let me talk to you at the end of the day. We are walk go on. Talk to me. The day look calm and quiet.
I'm glad for that.
You're glad for that?
Yeah.
Turn around on that side because the light look better for you. See me, you look more beautiful now. You look more beautiful now.
I'm glad for that,
You're
man.
glad for that.
No
And
incident,
no
no
incident.
outbreak, nothing. You know, everything just calm and run smooth. That's how it for go.
Yeah, man, that's right. And then what I like about it is how the two party, them enjoy the thing together.
Yeah, man.
Like a festival.
Unity.
Yeah.
But I want two party, but I want country.
One
Still have to
and
live in it,
I
yeah?
want people.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself.
Aye.
A mother chef that here, people remember mother chef from Carney Country Style Cook Shop. And she that. My viewers and stuff, and she that. So big two for just talk with mother chef from up at the restaurant. And as we say, we're right at the intersection of the bridge. And that's where we are going to end the vlog, people. But as we that telling us, say, if walk, ride and drive, you know, when you drive safe, nobody do no whole crazy driving and putting yourself in no problem on the road. And the bike riders, them, you ask the bike riders, them do. When you take it easy, nobody go hard and go home. You just go easy and go on the yard, you know. The election basically over tomorrow. We are one Jamaican, we have to live as one people. We have to live in a unity and thing. And we have to go back to everyday life and everyday settings and make ourselves nice and happy. So, my viewers and sub, I hope you guys enjoy the little blogger when me put on for you know, that you could see how the election system take place in the town and Morant there. But when you get the video, you can full up the comment section now. I want to full up the comment section and let me know how the scoring take place, who win the division and all these things. So as the night goes on, you can update the comment section and let me know exactly how the day turn out. For now, Big Super out in the road here, out in Morant Bay, and saying to you guys, peace out, my viewers and sub. Peace out. It's a wonderful, wonderful day.